Okay, hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to install games on Steam. So first you open your Steam, you're gonna go to Library, Collection, and first thing you'll notice, you already see my installed games. If you don't have any installed games, they'll probably look like different. If you click here, it like sorts, installed, not installed. So, let's say you pick the game you want to install. I don't know, this one. You click install, you choose your disk, install, installs, say installed, you go to collection, and it's here, and you just press play, and that's it. Another thing about installing games, as you see, I have many disks. You might have many disks, but you might not be able to see them. You go to settings, storage, click here, add drive, and then you can add more drives if you only have possibly one located first, since you started the Steam and maybe you just installed it. So yeah, I hope this helps, and see you next video.